This is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. Then, once it loads itself up, tap at this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then choose the scan option from the menu. Grant the Google Drive app with the camera permission. And once the camera interface launches, take a photo of your real-life document that you would like to turn into PDF scan. Once the picture is taken, you can proceed, and the following step allows you to edit your result. So for example, you can change its color scheme, you can rotate your scan 90 degrees at a time, or frame the part of the original photo you took, and frame the part that you would like to be included into the final result. So you can also align your text a little bit if your original photo is not as straight as you have expected it to be. And then once everything looks tidy and pretty, you can save your file. Then the following menu allows you to rename it. I'll just save it with the default suggested name. Then give it a few seconds to be uploaded to your drive. And here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.